तर आमी सद्या आसा पेंजीम जिमखानान आणि आयज आमी जिमखानान हेजे खातीर आसा की जे फॉर्मर क्रिकेटर आसा आशिश नेहरा ते हांगासरले जे पणजी जिमखाना क्रिकेट एकेडमी आसा त्या भुरग्यांक ते स्पेशली हांगासर मेळपाक येयला तेंचे वांगडा इंटरेक्शन करपाक जे आशिश नेहरा फॉर्मर क्रिकेटर आसा ते हांगासर आयल्यात. तशेंच जी पणजी जिमखाना क्रिकेट एकेडमीची जी जर्सी न्यू जर्सी लॉन्च आसा ती आयज आशिश नेहरा तेंच्या हातीन ही जी जर्सी आसा ती रिवील जावपाची आसा म्हणून आमी सद्या पणजे जिमखानान हांगासर आसा.
I mean, that was the first time I came. It was some under 15, under 16 game, 93, 94. Yeah, we were here for 5 days. I mean, since then I always liked Goa and been coming in and out. And it's been 7 years. Just moved here with the kids. They love it. Whenever I can spend time here, I also like to come.
It is seen that you practice at academy ground with your son.
I mean, whenever he wants to go. One day he plays cricket, other day he plays soccer, third day, but which is good. So that is closer to my house. Here also now I'll just, because this is such a great facility, whenever I get time it's maybe 5 minutes more. One thing's for sure, slowly now Goa also getting more traffic, more crowded. That one is next door, walking from my house.
Okay.
But
Yeah,
this also
How
I'll
does
use
it
it.
feel to be here after 30 years?
No, I have come here in between. My house is only 15 minutes away. Tournament also last year I came. Before that I also have come. I have not come to Ritz Classic as yet. Soon I'll come. So it's not that I have passed this ground like, a lot. So, but great memories. I have not played after that here. So maybe with my son I'll play one day.
Ashish,
Panjim Gymkhana Cricket
Arush.
Academy has kids enrolled from age of 9 to 14. So what would be your advice for this age group in general?
See, first thing first, I don't give no one advice. I give a little bit of suggestion, or if whoever wants.
Suggestion.
Yeah, so my suggestion, I mean, there's no such age to a particular suggestion to anyone, but like age group, what you are discussing, 9 to 4, that's
14.
what, 9 to 14, sorry, that's what I just said. I mean, that age, sport is one thing which will help you to do anything, even if you want to go tomorrow academically, studies, art, music. So it's a great bonding, and they learn team sport, and a place like this, next to the river, next to the ocean, such a great spot. So if you can come here, spend 3-4 hours, and if you want to play. That's why I was telling one kid, someday you should bring your soccer also here. Somebody might want to play with tennis balls. So because there's that kind of facilities, all the facilities inside there, but outside we should also use it, because the age we are discussing about, that's the age where they are growing mentally, they are growing physically. So it's a great place to be.
Yeah, Ashish, Goa is known for football, so you are in Goa. So how do you find the cricket players of Goa?
No, I mean, whatever little bit I have followed is, see, every state is different. Like now when you talk about Goa with soccer, Goa is way better when it comes to soccer to majority of India. Now when you talk about cricket, there might be some other sport which Goa is good at and other cities are not. So everywhere infrastructure is different, but it's always good to see, other sports also growing, apart from soccer or apart from cricket, or you just name it. And here also, if you see within 5-10 kilometer radius, you have 2 GCA ground. Panjim Gymkhana is here, that GCA ground is there. And definitely government, I'm sure, must be trying and try to do more infrastructure and more cricket grounds. See, when facilities are there, not only cricket, any ground. So many villages I have seen, they are lovely soccer ground, but nobody is doing anything. They are all red only. I mean, kids, they still play on that, because that's how you become tough. But there's so much more to do, and we can definitely do it together. And main thing is slowly but surely. That's the main
How
thing.
excited you are being with the kids?
It's always great to be part of any setup. And when you talk about kids, and especially when you talk about sports, which is very close to me, not only cricket, any other sport. That's why, like my son, one day he likes to play cricket, other day sometimes soccer. So I want him to play any kind of sport. So whenever I am in between kids, I'm really thrilled, and just try to be at the ground more and more if I can be. And from next week onwards, now next 2-3 months, whenever I'm here, I just try to come and spend more times with these kids, so it will be a great help to them.